Hi everybody, greetings from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Gordon and Linda hanging out on the beach for a week. Let me show you, I'm out here in the surf, getting battered by some waves. Let me show you, oh, here comes one. Whoa! Okay, let me show you where we are. Here's Myrtle Beach. Bunch of hotels and condos. We're in this condo complex. We're on the 7th floor. Linda's on the beach, sitting in our chairs. Today is Linda's 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Lynn! We're going to a show at Alabama Theater tonight. But, uh-oh, here comes one. Uh-oh! Ah. Okay, it's alright, we made it. We made it through. Here comes another one. Here comes another one, guys. Whoa! That was major. Okay. Signing off for now.